When you sign up for an online class or request a remote help session, you will receive an email that looks like this. It has information about your Zoom meeting. To enter into a Zoom meeting, click here. If you haven't used Zoom before, you will be prompted to download it. If your screen doesn't look exactly like this, don't worry. Different browsers handle Zoom differently. This is Google Chrome. If Zoom doesn't automatically begin to download, click Download and Run Zoom. If you'd prefer to join from your browser or cannot download things onto your computer, click Join from your browser. Today we'll do Download and Run Zoom, so we can see what the app looks like. Press Save, and a bar will appear at the bottom. Click on the button with the Zoom icon, and you will see a box letting you know that Zoom is downloading. Once Zoom has downloaded, enter your name into the box and hit Join Meeting. Zoom will automatically enter you into the meeting from the email invite. The next step is to decide which speakers to use. If you'd prefer to call into the meeting, select the Phone Call tab and dial any of the numbers here. If you'd rather use your computer speakers, press Join with Computer Audio. You are now in the meeting. If you are the first person there, or if everybody else has their video turned off, you will see this screen. If not, you will see the other people in the meeting. Zoom allows you to turn your audio and video on or off throughout the course of a meeting. To check if your audio and video are on, look at the bottom left-hand corner. If the microphone and video buttons have red lines through them, that means they're muted. In order to toggle them on and off, just click. In order to share your screen, click on the green Share Screen button in the middle of the toolbar. You should see this page. You can choose to share your whole screen or a select window. If you choose to share your whole screen, make sure to close any personal windows before sharing. Once you've decided which screen to share, click on it so that a blue box appears around it, and then hit Share. This is what it should look like. In order to stop sharing your screen, hit the red Stop Share button at the top. Finally, in order to leave the meeting, press the red Leave Meeting button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then select Leave Meeting. Thanks for joining us today.